Hello my foodie friends. Today I am going to make chocolate pudding. So let's start. Take a bowl of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of custard powder. Mix it so that there are no lumps. Add the custard milk. Let it boil. Add chopped chocolates. Stir continuously so that chocolate gets dissolved. Make sure the mixture is thick. Add the pieces of tutti frutti. Mix well. Pour the mixture in the pudding bowl. Garnish with tutti frutti. You can add lots of tutti frutti if you want. Garnish with sugar powder. Keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. Wow, it looks so yummy. Eat and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe Salad and Food. Thank you.